Next topic is properties of scalar triple product. Okay, so let's discuss few properties. Now, property number 1. Property 1, if vector A, vector B and vector C are cyclically permutated, then the value of scalar triple product remains same. Now, what this means, that order of the vectors should not be changed. A, B, C should be in the cyclic order only. Okay. So, scalar triple product remains same. Now, vector A cross vector B with dot product of vector C, this will be equal to vector B cross vector C with dot product of vector A, and this will be equal to vector C cross vector A with dot product of vector B. Okay, so I have not changed the order, or we can write it now this as vector A, vector B, vector C is equal to vector B, vector C, vector A is equal to vector C, vector A, vector B. One and the same thing. So, this was property number 1. Now, property 2. Property 2. Now, scalar triple product changes in sign but not in magnitude when cyclic order is changed. So, this is property 2. Now, if we are changing the order, cyclic order is changed, then a negative sign will be there. Okay. So, now this will be A, vector B, vector C. Now, this can be written as negative of vector B, vector A, vector C. Look here, B and A order has been changed. Okay, is equal to negative of vector C, vector B, vector A. Again, the order for C and B has been changed, is equal to negative of vector A, vector C, vector B. Okay. So, if we are writing in this order, then there will be, we have to put a negative sign. Now, property 3. Property 3 is scalar triple product in scalar triple product the position of dot and cross, the position of dot and cross can be interchanged in the scalar trivial product. The position of the dot and cross can be interchanged provided that the cyclic order of vectors remains same. Okay, so now here what result we are getting? Vector A cross vector B dot vector C, this will be equal to vector A dot vector B cross vector C. So these are the three properties we have discussed, 1, 2 and 3.